Hi, this is Geert-Jan. In this screencast we're going to do the NetBeans platform tutorial for integrated development environments. It's been written for NetBeans IDE 8.0, but we'll be using NetBeans IDE 8.01 for the screencast. So let's get started. We'll choose new modules, new platform application, and we name the application My IDE, and we click Finish. The application is created. We right-click the application and we run it. The application starts up, NetBeans Platform 8.01. And now we have a generic NetBeans application, but we want to create an application on top of the IDE functionality, which includes, for example, the project system from NetBeans IDE. So we return to the tutorial, and we go and we right click and we choose properties, and we go to libraries, and right now we can see module JavaFX wrapper in platform, requests JavaFX, etc. So we can have a look in platform, and we see here that there's a JavaFX wrapper, so we unselect that. We don't need it for the application that we're creating. We go to the IDE cluster, and what is especially interesting here is the project system. We need to include this. So here is project UI API, project UI build. These are the ones that we really need to have. So we click resolve, and now we have the project system. Now this is the equivalent to what is described here, to simply click that IDE button. So we've clicked the red resolve button, and we right click on the project, and we run the application. And what we now see, okay, so there are various things missing. You can go back here and have a look. Let's take a look. So project UI, yeah, these are fine. So we clean and build. The application is still running. That's the problem. So we clean and build the application, and we run it, and the application starts up. And now we can see that the new project dialog is there, new file is there, and we have all the basic starting points needed for creating our own IDE related application on top of NetBeans IDE. So we have the new project wizard here, we have the run functionality, we have the debug functionality. So instead of simply clicking on that IDE checkbox, the point is to click on the items that are actually relevant here. And what is actually relevant here are these project related. You can see here project API, project index bridge, project UI API, project UI build menu. That's what you should be selecting, and then you'll be able to have the starting point for your own application, because now you can use the NetBeans project type tutorial, for example, to create your own project type that fits into NetBeans IDE. So once we start up, we will see this. We see our application again. So the first thing you now need to do is to create a new project type. So to do that, you go back to the tutorials, and you will see in the tutorial page that if you go to the tutorial page, there is here a tutorial. If I look for project type module tutorial. So this is the next tutorial that you'll follow to create your own IDE on top of NetBeans. Thank you, and all the best with the tutorials and with creating your own applications on the NetBeans platform and on NetBeans